The easiest way to get much customer to your only business, it's not about posting your status. Yes, good. Posting your status, having flyer, yes, in a well social area. One of the easiest way again to win customer to your only business is by going to meet them, take the market to them. I wonder why you are afraid to carry your market to people who want them. People who are actually the ones that want to patronize you. So you must take your business to go and meet them. Go to the hostel, go to the lodge, go to the school compound, go to the campus, go to that hotel, go to that residence, go to that estate, go to that boarding school. Take it to them. Take your business to them that, sir, good morning, sir. I do the business. I can do well for you. You speak your mind out. Don't just sit down in your office and waiting for daily bill to come. Yes, it comes. If you don't have much customer, they are not coming. You go to them. As me, I have one of my branch in the high school, in the campus environment. When I open newly, people are coming to patronize me, but I don't see the most people. What will I do? I print flyer for those Monday. I enter the class, the School of Engineering. One of them, meet them, yeah. I talk with them. I enter School of Business, School of Applied Science. I just enter the school. Then they're advertising them. Some person will stay close to your office, but their school, the campuses is far in the other side. So they can come and meet you there. So people can be saying far other side, the campus is close to your office then. So you meet them. Don't be afraid or be ashamed of going and sell your business. And you don't see Elon Musk. Elon Musk sells his business. Tesla, he sells his business. Davido, a musician, sells his business. All of them, they sell their business. So you yourself, as a beginner, or those who are running the only business, or other man business, sell it out. Yes, people are coming, but they're not having more sales. Go to hostels, go to lodge, go to places. Yes, go to where students gather. When young boys are far they be, and they don't go patronize me. Yeah, everybody always have a customer, but you can just tell them that I'll drive for you. You know, when you come out, they will ask you how much did you wash. Say, boss, when you come, I'll drive for you. I'll come up for you. When they ask you how much did they wash, ask them how much are they washing. So now you don't know the range. Say, my customer, their car they give for me for 500 or 400. So okay, when you come now, I'll give you 250. That's it. When they come for the first time, do it for them 350. You are by the mind. First time, second time, 350. You get. When you now come again the fourth, fifth time, carry your price to the next range. Do not be aware of it. Sometimes they will not. They just give you clothes and they will not go. They will not calculate the clothes. Some people don't count. They don't count the amount of clothes that is in their hand. They don't count the clothes. You get. They don't count. They just carry bulk. Give you. You are the one that will count it. A clothes is 1,000 naira. That is 10. If you want 10,000 naira. But they will not count it. Example. They will not count it. They just give you everything 20. So they will not think you are still giving them the old price. But not knowing to you that you have increased the price to normal price. For that note, you will win a person to yourself. And when that one person, others will follow suit. Please, this is a which way you can able to meet and win customers to your London business or any other business you are doing. Thank you. Once again, this is Palms Academy International. If you want to grow your London business, or you want to know more about your London business, or you wish to register for a course in my academy, can you give me a DM that I am interested and I will get back to you? Or you want to make your London business a standard one, or you don't have the idea how to go about it, come to Palms Academy. We can give you updates on how to grow your business. Check our YouTube channel at Palms Academy International on YouTube, and you will see some helpful video that will help you to grow your business as a beginner, and those already own the business, those who don't over have the idea about the business at all. There are videos that will help you to grow. Once again, don't forget to like, share this video, comment, and then share it to others that may need them. Save it for other purposes. You may need it later. Thank you. Bye.